Let's start. Let's give our project a title, Mother's Day. Then for the size, let's come to print and choose A4. Let's create. Okay, we are here. Let's come to the shape tool and choose the rectangle tool. Let's draw our shape to cover the entire document. Then let's change the color with this code. Then click OK. Check the description and download this flower. Now let's place the flower right here. Okay, come to the layer, right click on the flower and then come to rasterized layer. This will help us to use our tools on the flower. Pick the eraser tool. Right click and make sure that the hardness is 0. Then let's erase just the bottom part of the flower. Now let's pick the text tool. Let's first write happy. Come to the properties and let's set the size to 48. And then change the font to Adam CG. And let's press it right here. Okay, hold down the Alt key and drag the text to make a copy. Then double click and let's begin our typing. Alright, come to the font type and let's choose Silent Asia. If you don't have it, you can download it. Let's resize our text. For the color, let's choose a sample color from the flower, or you can type in this code for the same color. Hold down the Alt key and drag once again to make a copy. Then double click and let's change the text. We now have Happy Mother's Day. Hold down the Alt key and drag again, and let's keep writing. And for the font type, we are using TWCEN text, so you have it in a computer. We are taking a sample color from the flower. As usual, you can also use this code for the same color. Let's make a copy and then keep adding our text. And let's use color black for this one. Make a copy, double click to edit. Okay, now let's put the time for the program under the date. We are starting it at 9 o'clock a.m. Let's make the spacing 30, just as the size of the font. Right click on the shape tool and choose rounded rectangle tool, and draw your shape at the top left, so the name of the church or the organization and the logo will come here. Let's make the corners round. Then let's change the color. So use this code for the color and click OK. So write the name of the church, and let the spacing be 12. Let's add an ellipse tool, and that is where we are putting our logo. Finally, come to the shape tool and choose rectangle tool. And draw your shape just like this. Position it well, and then come to properties, click on the color tab and turn it off. Then come to the outline, and let's give it a white color. After that, let's increase the weight of the outline up to 15. Okay, we don't want anything to cover the name of the church and the logo, so what we do is that bring the layer of the shape you just added below the name of the church and the logo, so that it can be at the back. I thank you very much for watching. I want you to subscribe, share, like, comment to show your support. Thank you very much. See you once again. Bye bye.